Have you ever considered that time management is, in essence, life management? It's a startling thought, isn't it? A vast majority of us, somewhere between 80 to 90%, are procrastinators. We have lists of tasks that remain unfulfilled, dreams that are yet to be realized, and a nagging sense of dissatisfaction with life. This is Adesh, the R&D guy from Life Design Lab, here to break down the concept of time management for you. We'll delve into its root causes, its impact on your life, and provide practical and actionable solutions that you can apply to this essential self-development skill. Poor time management skills result in procrastination, lack of prioritization, and constant distractions. It decreases productivity, increases stress, and leads to missed opportunities in both personal and professional spheres. The time management problem stems from the illusion of abundant time. We're always caught in the cycle of today, tomorrow, and the endless weeks, months, and years to come, which gives us the impression of having infinite time. This illusion allows us to push important tasks to the back burner. Our inherent nature to avoid hard work and seek instant gratification further contributes to this problem. It's a self-management problem that requires organizing, prioritizing, and executing tasks. Consider these staggering statistics. 88% of working people procrastinate daily. 75% of students struggle with procrastination. The average person spends around 7 hours a day online. 82% of people don't have a time management system. They simply use a list or their email inbox. The least successful time management technique is dealing with whatever comes up. Only 20% of people carry out a monthly time audit to review how they are spending their time. The root causes of time management problems can be traced back to our evolution, our teenage growth perspective, our brain's short-sightedness, our awareness about life, and our upbringing. Time is a limited resource. We trade our time for money and progress, and yet we fail to realize its value. Our mindset is one of abundance. We don't see time as the finite resource that it truly is. We postpone important tasks and dreams, often those without a deadline. We find ourselves caught in the rut of life, only addressing work-related tasks or focusing on urgent tasks. Ultimately, time management is about understanding that time is a limited resource. It's about shifting our mindset from one of abundance to one of scarcity. It's about identifying and prioritizing important tasks and making the most out of each day. Remember, mastering the skill of time management allows you to build strong self-discipline, an essential requirement for achieving goals. It's the key to leading a more fulfilling and successful life. So take the time to understand, learn, and master this skill. Your future self will thank you for it.